Hi, my name is Zachary Freeman, a programmer here at ARC Specialties. Today we will be talking about the ARC-5 Infinity. What we've done in this project is take a 6-axis KUKA robot and added our own 7th axis, the ARC Infinity head, which utilizes slip rings to transfer power, signals, coolant, and anything the torch head would need to operate. By utilizing the 6 degrees of freedom of the KUKA robot with the rotation of the Infinity head, we are creating an automatic welding and cladding machine that can weld at any orientation and is really only limited by the reach of the KUKA robot and the length of the torch head. Using this mechanical setup, I've been working on software that syncs the motion of the KUKA robot to the rotation of the Infinity head. All we have to do is teach a couple points on the part so the robot knows where the part is in space, where to begin and end the weld, and what orientation to be in. This technology really shines when the intended part to be cladded has multiple bores, especially if they are at odd angles. Instead of needing to rotate the part or fixture, increasing excess downtime and fixturing costs, the ARC-5 Infinity will be able to access and clad these bores automatically. For those already familiar with our machines, the HMI interface and pendant will allow you to vary weld parameters like the wire speed, voltage and amperage levels, and travel speed on the fly to tune in the correct process parameters and develop the best welds possible for your application. ARC Specialties thrives on problems. Send us yours.